Uzodinma over gas summit. Governor of Imo State, Senator Hope Uzodinma, has received encomiums from the leadership of Ohanaeze Ndigbo for hosting the Southeast Gas Utilization Forum with the theme Natural Gas Utilization and Optimization in Nigeria. Focus on the Eastern Hub. The governor received the commendation from the president of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, Chief Nya Nwodo, during a chat at the Presidential Lodge, Owerri, after the flag-off of the one-day summit. Governor Uzodinma also received commendations from the Southeast governors for accepting to host the summit, which they said was timely. Nwodo said he hardly gets invitations to attend such a private business forum from the federal government and expressed happiness that Governor Uzodinma and Minister of State Petroleum Timipre Silva called him on phone to attend the gas forum in Owerri, and that he was happy he attended. The president of Ohanaeze Ndigbo said he is impressed about the passion Governor Uzodinma has for his office to develop Imo State and the Southeast in particular, and Nigeria in general. He also said the presence of the minister who represented the president at the forum points to its importance to the federal government, and enjoined Governor Uzodinma to leverage on the opportunity provided by the summit. Also thanking the governor for hosting the event, the former executive secretary and chief executive officer, Nigerian Content Development and Monitoring Board, Chief Ernest Mwapa, described Governor Uzodinma as wonderful in his reach, noting that he is not surprised that he could attract such a unique event to Imo State within a short period in office. He said the Gas Utilization Forum is probably the first time a petroleum minister had come to Imo State because of an event of this nature, and urged the governor to build on the outcome. Chief Nwapa commended the governor for attracting the summit to Imo State within a short period in office, noting that the presence of intellectuals, industrialists, and top businessmen to the event is an indication that Governor Uzodinma is charting a new course for Imo State, which also shows that success awaits Imo, Southeast, and Nigeria. Earlier at the forum, Governor Uzodinma, who was the chief host, had wooded potential investors in the gas sector to leverage the abundance of natural gas reserves of the finest quality in Imo State, as well as the added advantage of ease of doing business that is second to none to invest in the state. The governor said he is optimistic the forum would avail the southeastern states the opportunity to facilitate and drive industrial revolution through gas development, noting that the event was timely, coming at a period when there was urgent need for sustainable alternatives to dwindle oil reserves and declining oil prices at the international markets. Governor Uzodinma noted that his administration is supportive of any venture that will add value to all sectors of the economy, particularly one that will create huge job opportunity for the youth, emphasizing that Imo State has a quarter of total gas deposits in Nigeria that makes her the highest with gas reserves. He pointed out that developing the sector would ultimately provide opportunities for multiple industrial revolution in Imo, Southeast region, and Nigeria at large. The Minister of State for Petroleum, Chief Timipre Silva, thanked President Muhammadu Buhari for providing an opportunity for the stakeholders in the gas sector to come together in Owerri to brainstorm on how to tap into the huge potential available in gas for the overall development of the country in general and Southeast in particular. Silva urged the stakeholders and investors to take advantage of the forum to invest in the zone. The forum, which held at Rockview Hotel Owerri, Imo State, attracted top stakeholders in the oil and gas industry. All the other governors of the Southeast, Abia, Anambra, Enugu, and Ebonyi, were ably represented either by their deputies, secretary to the state government, or special advisors. While the group managing director of the Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation (NPPC), Meli Kyari, was also represented, the former president of the Senate, Chief Ken Nnamani, was in attendance. Thank you for listening to this news. Would I say this is the first thing ever that Nnamdi Uzodinma has ever done that is good in Imo State since he assumed office? This is the first thing he has ever done that is very reasonable and commendable since he assumed office in Imo State. Yes, and I will say that this is not his idea. Someone in his office may have tipped it into his ears. I'm not saying this because I'm against him, but I've been following his administration with every reasonable doubt, because Uzodinma will not just come up with this kind of idea without anyone whispering it in his ear, because this kind of event is an event that demands the presence of dignitaries and reasonable Nigerians who thinks only about the development of the country, who is only after the development of the country and not on embezzlement alone. With no doubt, what has just been done in Imo State today is going to contribute meaningfully to the growth of the nation economy. It's going to contribute widely, no doubt about it. It's going to help to expand the income, and also it will bring increase in the income of the nation. The GDP of the country will attain an appreciable height. You understand now? So I bet us and I tell us that with this that has just been done in Imo State will experience a very great transformation, because Nigerian government will not forget this great impact that the state has just done through the Governor Hope Uzodinma. So permit me to as well encourage him, and I also appreciate him for this opportunity and also for this great move that he has just made to the development of this country. So please, my viewers, your own comments and contribution concerning all that has just been said are very much welcomed. Please deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.